I can't get out. This is freaking speed bump. Ow! Perfect nature. Where the freak are these keys? I bet they're like in the trunk or something and I can't get out of the car.
No, they're in the car.
The trunk is part of the car too, you know.
They're in the back. I can tell you that.
What the heck? Sunglasses.
You're so funny.
You're... Grr. Did you like lose them?
They're losing.
Where are the keys? What the crap? God. You know, in movies, this looks a lot easier when people do it.
Yeah.
Like, only takes, like they're getting around all easy, and it takes them like a half second to get these off. Where'd that go? You are a bad kid.